Today we are going to make what some people call white oil, especially a lot of Indians. I see them refer to it as white oil. So you can see how thick this product is. Okay, it is very thick and it is very foamy. It is actually a foam booster and we are going to produce it now. Okay, I am ZESTA Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle, and welcome back to my channel. So to make this is very simple. This foam booster is very good because you can use it in your liquid soap. You know, usually liquid soap you will need to adjust the pH. Okay, and most of liquid soaps the pH is around 7. Our sulfonic that we use in making liquid soap, the pH is acidic. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to mix our SLS. Okay, you can actually substitute with Texapon if you don't have SLS. You know, Texapon is the same thing with SLES. Okay, so we are using about 1 kg of our SLS, or 1 kg, or rather 1 liter of our Texapon. Okay, then to it you're going to add about 1 liter of your sulfonic acid. You know that for acids the pH is usually from 0 to around 5 or thereabout. Around 6 to 7 is more of neutral. So what we are going to do is we want the pH of this our foam booster to be as close to neutral as possible. This will make it easy for us when we are making our liquid soap. But the good thing about this is you can use it not only as a foam booster in your liquid soap. On its own alone like this, you can use it as a foam booster or as liquid soap. Okay, either in your bar soap or even in your detergent powder, or even in just as a liquid soap like that for your dishwashing, car wash and all that. Okay, so this is how we are making it. The method I'm using is a very simple method, not too much measure and all that. Just 1 kg of your SLS or Texapon, whichever one you have. Me, I'm using SLS because I want it to be very thick, and I feel the SLS will have more, will be more concentrated because it is in powdery form compared to Texapon that is watery. And then you use your 1 liter of your sulfonic acid. So after you mix them, the two of them properly, okay, you make sure you mix until there are no lumps and it is beginning to get hard. Okay, you can see as I'm mixing is becoming harder. Okay, so at this point you can now go ahead and add your water. I'm using 6 liters of water, but this recipe can take even up to 10 liters of water. Okay, but I'm using only 6 liters because I want it thick. I'm not interested in quantity now, I'm interested in quality, so that when I put, even if it is small in my, let's say, bar soap, I don't end up adding too much water into my bar soap. I'm actually adding concentrated foam booster. Okay, this is important because some of us at times when making the soap, you even actually do water discount so that not much water gets into your soap. Okay, you know that before you make your soap, you have to calculate and know the right amount of water, the right amount of caustic you're adding to it. So adding extra water could cause shrinkage. Okay, it could cause shrinkage in your product, making it not look aesthetically beautiful. Okay, so now to dissolve this is not that easy. Okay, if you say you keep on mixing until it will dissolve, I will not recommend it. So what I did is I just mixed it as much as I could, okay, which you can see me doing here, and then I just covered it and left it overnight. So now this is what I'm doing. After you've put in your water, you now get your caustic soda. Remember, caustic soda is very basic. Basic is when they say the pH of a substance is between 8 to 14. So caustic soda is very basic. Okay, that's why they call it caustic so that it is caustic. So now by adding it to this, now it will level up the pH of our final product. So after doing that, I'm now adding my water. Okay, I'm just still adding extra water. So now instead of 6 liters, I've used about 7 liters of water. Okay, so now I'm mixing it in properly. But as I told you earlier on, if you say you keep on mixing this, you get tired, and after some time it will even be just foaming. So you just keep it for about 2 days for it to dissolve well. So this is the next day. It has not finished dissolving. I'll still cover it and leave it. Okay, so this product, if you want to do it fast, you might actually have to mix it with a little amount of water, stir, and then be topping up the water. But I don't have time to do that. I have so many things to do. I don't have time to be stirring this foam booster. So what I did was I just pour everything, all my water, my caustic, covered it for 2 days, and then this is it. You can see how thick it is. Even this product alone, if you want to sell it as liquid soap, high quality liquid soap, is okay. You can see the thickness. You can see how foamy it is as you're even pouring. As I was mixing and pouring, foam bubbles were popping up, were coming up. So this is a very simple product you can make yourself at home without having to go and buy foam booster. You can use this for your liquid soap. You can use it in your detergent powder. You can use it in your bar soap. You can make it and keep for your home use as liquid soap to wash your car, to scrub, to wash your plates, wash your carpet. It is it is like, in short, it is multi-purpose. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was educative enough for you. If you like what we are doing, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to drop a useful comment to encourage us. Thank you so much. Please make sure to subscribe so that whenever I post any more useful content, you'll be notified when I do. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I love you all. Yan uwana Hausawa, muna yin foam booster ko? Za ku samo SLS naku kilo 1, ku samo sulfonic, that is kumfan banza, kilo lita 1, sai ku samo ruwa lita 6-7, ku samo caustic naku 150, sai ku hada su tare da kuka ga na hada a cikin video din. Ku bar shi kwana 2. Bayan kwana 2 za ku gan ya fito haka da kauri, ya fito maku foam booster ku. Ba sai kun kashe kuɗi ba. Wannan foam booster za ku yi sabulu da shi, za ku yi liquid soap, za ku yi scrubbing, za ku yi wanke-wanke da shi, za ku wanke kaya da shi. So yana da amfani sosai. In kun gan cewa kun so wannan video din, sai ku yi mani subscribe. Nagode sosai.